Hey everyone, if you edit video, you already know the massive frustration of watching your timeline stutter and freeze when adding heavy motion graphics. After Effects demands serious processing muscle, dedicated graphics, and massive memory to run without crashing. Today, I'm breaking down the best laptop for Adobe After Effects to help you render fast, preview your timelines in real time, and work without annoying lag. I've tested 5 incredible laptops that actually handle heavy visual effects workloads effortlessly. Let's find your perfect workstation.
Product number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. Starting off our list is the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch, an absolute powerhouse that professionals rely on daily. When you're working inside After Effects, processing speed and memory are everything, and the latest Apple Silicon chips deliver massive multi-core performance that chews through heavy compositions. The 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display provides brilliant color accuracy, which is incredibly important when you're color grading or dialing in specific visual effects. What really makes this laptop stand out is its unified memory architecture. This allows the graphics processor to access massive amounts of RAM instantly, significantly speeding up RAM previews and rendering times. Unlike most heavy-duty Windows laptops, it runs surprisingly quiet, and the battery easily lasts all day, even when rendering 4K projects. If you prefer the Mac ecosystem and need a reliable, blazing fast machine for professional motion graphics, the 16-inch MacBook Pro is an outstanding investment.
Product number 2. Asus ROG Zephyrus G16. Next up is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16, a fantastic Windows alternative that packs desktop-level rendering speeds into a remarkably thin chassis. Asus originally built this for high-end gaming, but the powerful Intel Core processors and dedicated NVIDIA RTX graphics make it an absolute beast for After Effects. Having a dedicated NVIDIA card means you're fully utilizing CUDA acceleration to drastically speed up effects like motion blur and complex particle simulations. The gorgeous OLED display offers extremely deep blacks and covers the entire DCI-P3 color space, ensuring your visual effects look exactly as intended. Despite all this raw power, the laptop remains lightweight and easy to carry to different sets or coffee shops. It also features a massive trackpad and an excellent cooling system that prevents the processor from throttling during long exports. If you need portable rendering power, the Zephyrus G16 is a fantastic choice.
Product number 3. Lenovo Legion Pro 5i. Coming in at number 3 is the Lenovo Legion Pro 5i, a heavy-duty workhorse that offers incredible value for creators who prioritize raw computing muscle over a super-thin design. This laptop features high-end Intel processing and powerful NVIDIA graphics, providing the exact hardware combination you need for smooth playback on complex After Effects timelines. Lenovo engineered an exceptional thermal management system here, meaning you can leave this machine rendering heavy 3D compositions for hours, and it won't overheat or slow down. The 16-inch QHD display gives you plenty of screen real estate to manage your effect panels, layers, and timelines simultaneously without feeling cramped. Best of all, it allows you to easily upgrade the RAM and storage down the road, so you can bump it up to 64 GB as your projects become more demanding. It's a highly practical, durable option for intense visual workflows.
Product number 4. MSI Creator Z16. Our fourth contender is the MSI Creator Z16, a laptop designed specifically from the ground up for professional video editors and motion graphic artists. Everything about this machine caters to visual work, starting with its stunning 16:10 aspect ratio display that gives you more vertical room for your After Effects timeline. The screen is factory calibrated to ensure perfect color accuracy right out of the box, saving you from guessing what your final render will look like. Under the hood, it pairs a fast multi-core processor with a strong NVIDIA Studio GPU, which is specifically optimized for stability in Adobe software, rather than just pushing gaming frame rates. The CNC milled aluminum chassis feels premium and solid, holding up well to daily travel. If you want a Windows laptop that prioritizes creative stability, color precision, and sleek aesthetics over flashy gaming features, the Creator Z16 is definitely worth your attention.
Product number 5. Razer Blade 16. Rounding out our top 5 is the Razer Blade 16, a premium machine that perfectly balances extreme performance with a beautiful minimalist design. The Blade 16 is packed with a top-tier processor and an NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics card, giving you massive VRAM capacity.
This is critical when you're working with 4K or 8K compositions and need enough memory to cache your preview frames without the software lagging. It features a stunning dual-mode mini LED display, allowing you to switch between ultra-high resolution for detailed editing and a higher refresh rate for smooth motion tracking. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a solid aluminum unibody that feels just as premium as a MacBook. While it does get a bit warm during heavy exports, the sheer rendering speed and gorgeous display make the Razer Blade 16 a top-tier choice for visual effects artists who demand the absolute best hardware.
In terms of price compatibility, the Lenovo Legion Pro 5i is your most affordable entry point, delivering massive raw power for a very reasonable price. The Asus Zephyrus and MSI Creator sit comfortably in the upper mid-tier, balancing premium displays with excellent portability. Finally, the Apple MacBook Pro and Razer Blade 16 are premium professional investments that command the highest prices, but they fully justify the cost with their industry-leading build quality and unmatched rendering speeds. Check the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing on all these models. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.